Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to check scheduled posts on Facebook. To schedule a post on Facebook, first open the Facebook app and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the menu button located in the top right corner of your profile. From there, select Manage Posts. Here, you can view all of your scheduled posts, as well as create new ones. When creating a post, you can add your desired content, such as text, photos, and videos. You can also schedule when you want your post to go live by selecting the time and date. Once you finish creating your post, click the next button in the top right corner to schedule it. Facebook will automatically post your content at the scheduled time. You can even schedule posts to be posted every week and check your scheduled posts in the Manage Posts section. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.